Okay, this is how a heat pump works when practicing geothermal energy. The most critical component of a heat pump is refrigerant. Refrigerant has two states, a gaseous state and a liquid state, which is manipulated in the heat pump with a compressor and an expansion valve. Let's say we have our refrigerant that starts in a gaseous state at about 30 degrees. The refrigerant is passed through the compressor and raises the pressure of the gaseous refrigerant. Anytime when you raise the pressure of refrigerant, you raise the temperature. Anytime when you lower the pressure, you lower the temperature. So the compressor is raising the pressure of the refrigerant and therefore raising the temperature. It then comes out of the compressor at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit in a gaseous state. Then it moves into a coil. The coil absorbs the hot air or the hot refrigerant, and the coil absorbs the heat energy, which can be used to power your home. It then comes out of the coil in a liquid state at about 85 degrees. The liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve, which I think of it like a dam with a small hole. As it passes through the dam, it lowers drastically the pressure of the refrigerant, therefore lowering the temperature and bringing it out at about 20 degrees. Then, before it goes back to the boreholes into the earth, it has to pass through TXV valves. The TXV valves manipulate and control exactly how much refrigerant passes through, so we don't have too much or too little. Then it goes down the boreholes, back down to the earth. As it goes down the boreholes into the earth, it absorbs heat energy, and the process starts all over again back into a gaseous state as it goes into the compressor.